everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Vaishali. So for today's video I'm going to be testing the Primark nails, or fake nails you can say. So I'm going to try these fake nails from Primark for the first time. So this video is about how you can apply fake nails, how these Primark nails look, and some of my thoughts and opinion on the Primark nails. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the nails I'm going to put on today. They are these little pointed matte velvet nude, and these are actually 24 nails and they come with an adhesive glue. So I'm just going to open this up and show you how they come and what kind of glue and stuff you'll get. So you get this bag of the nails and you get the one shown on the front, and then you get an adhesive glue, and the glue is very strong. So basically you have to prick the end of this adhesive to get this open. So these nails range from about €1.50 to €3.50 depending actually on what design you want. So you'll get a plain and simple nails for about €1.50, and the one with glitter or sparkle on them will cost you about €3.50. Let's check out how you'll get the perfect size of nail for your finger. So for this, just put a nail on your natural nail and check the size. If it's fit perfectly, then that's the size for your finger. And same way you can find out all the nails of your size. So you need to find out the size for each of your fingers. So here I want to share a tip. You can arrange all the nails like this so that you will remember which nail to apply on which finger. One more tip here. Make sure you cut off excess natural nails before you apply the fake nails. So here you need to push your cuticle skin back. So with the help of any cuticle remover or pusher, you can do that. Here I'm using a nail filer for this. So let's get started with putting on the nails. So this is how you need to apply the glue on nails. Put the nail on your real nail and press it gently. You actually don't need to press it so hard because the glue is very strong. So just remember one thing, there should not be any air bubbles, and this glue will stick your nail within a couple of seconds. So this is how we will stick all the nails. Here I'm cutting off the length I want my nails to be, as I don't like this much length. You can keep the length as it is if you want. File it in shape you want. I actually like my nails to be in square shape, so I'm cutting it in square shape here. I just didn't want my nail to be plain and boring, so I did a nail art here. I had the silver stone for nail art, so sticking this here. So here I am sharing some of the pics and videos I have taken after applying these fake nails. So on an average you can wear them for about 2 weeks, never longer, because I feel if I wore them longer my nails would be so bruised, which you don't want. So 2 weeks of wearing these I think is the perfect time. I honestly think they look so pretty, and the good thing is it gives you a feel of real nails. I think now you don't have to go parlor to get your nails done, and these nails are really cheap to try. I literally love wearing them. These are such a good value for money. I would say at least for once you should try these Primark nails. I hope you liked today's video. Do consider subscribing for more videos, and I'll be back soon with something exciting in my next video. Till then, goodbye.